How to get highest score in mathematics. Few secret tips and tricks for maths. Understand basics of maths. Start by grasping fundamental concepts such as numbers, operations, and basic arithmetic. Build a strong foundation in addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Practice as much as you can. Work on various types of problems to enhance problem-solving abilities. Create a separate book. Devote a dedicated notebook for mathematical content. Organize the book with sections for multiplication tables, formulas, theorems, and definitions. Answer in steps. Develop the habit of providing detailed step-by-step solutions. This improves clarity and ensures a deeper understanding of the process. Thank you for watching.